Good morning, good morning. Well, we're headed over to Dad's to go hook up the sprinkler lines and go check out the new AC unit, so let's do it. It's a foggy one. And that's our new AC unit. You can see we haven't totally finished out the layout there, but looking pretty good.
31 center, is that right?
How do you have a hammer spacing off? My dad is using a hammer for a shim. Freaking hammer! That's pretty funny. Alright, so we got to get this lifted up as high as we can. It's actually going to have a 1/2 inch fall per 6 feet back to the sump pump, so that at the end of the year we can drain the system back to the sump pump. So we got to get this lifted up, and in order to do that, we got to get this freaking hammer out so we can push it up high. It's a sad day. The chin-up bar is getting taken down. Alrighty, so we got this pipe run, and we have connectors there, hangers, whatever, there, skip there, skipped in here, right there, and all the way at the end. So the pipe has its drop for the 1/4 inch every 4 feet to get us to here, and then this is where the system can be drained, and it'll all be run out of here where that pipe ends. And then the other end is where it goes out to the yard into that box. So we got the pipe cut for that and soldered. That'll go outside, get installed. I think it's raining, so we might do that later, but I'll show you it. It's right here. So yeah, this will come out of the house from that pipe, and then this will go into the box. So we're making progress. We're getting there. All right, so it's actually not raining, so we're gonna get this this pipe in here. So you can see we got the copper pipe protruding from the house, and then that's where that pipe that we just soldered up is gonna get connected and go into this box here. The clouds have cleared up a little bit, but it's kind of chilly. Time to get the hoodie on. So Thad's working on getting the fitting on that side so we can connect it up to here. And then we also need the electrical controlling cables to control the sprinklers. This connects all the way up to the front yard, the one we worked on before. So all the way up, so that cable or that conduit runs from that box all the way down through here, through the front yard, and then it runs there and up into this box over here. Alright, so we have the air compressor hooked up to the string. To the nozzle. So there's a nozzle with like some, it's like ported. It's like a ported nozzle or whatever. So we have the string running through that, and we got to run it, you know, through the conduit so we can pull cable. But check this out. It just feeds it. And it just goes. Once it goes, it's just gone.
Shot out.
It shot out. That's awesome.
Like, there's way too much.
That is awesome.
That's pretty awesome.
So, if you're ever trying to feed a string through a piece of conduit, get yourself an air compressor and just push it through. Who said you couldn't push a rope? That's awesome. All right, I think that might be it today for the sprinklers. I hope this has inspired you to go work on your own projects and just get after them, whether it's waking up early on the weekend or whatever. Just get to it. So, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time. Click those buttons down below. Peace. Have a good one.